Friends and student, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we are going to solve example on fundamental identities. The type of examples are finding the trigonometric ratios if the relations is given. It is a part 3. In my previous part 2 on fundamental identities, we have solved some example how to find acute angle if the relation is given. The link of which is given below in the description box. The students who are not watched these videos, I request them to watch these videos. So we shall start with part 3. Here we will solve some example on how to find the trigonometric ratios if the relation is given. The example type is if number 1, if 2 cos square theta minus 11 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0, then find the possible values of cos theta. Solution. Now this is a quadratic in cos theta. So we factorize this equation. Therefore, we find two numbers such that their product is 2 into 5, 10 and their sum is minus 11. So here minus 10 and minus 1. These are the two numbers whose sum is minus 11, whose product is plus 10. Therefore, 2 cos square theta minus 10 cos theta minus cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. We can take 2 cos theta common from first two term. 2 cos theta is remain minus 5, taking 2 common, cos and 2 common. Now taking minus common from remaining last two term, minus 1, cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Cos theta minus 5 is common, so taking common, cos theta minus 5 into 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. The product of two number is 0, then either first term is 0 or second term is 0. Therefore, cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Since cos theta is greater than or equal to minus 1 and less than equal to 1 for all theta belongs to R. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 5 is not belongs to this range, so it is not admissible. Or cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. It is admissible, it is belongs to the range minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, we know that, therefore, the possible value cos theta is equal to 1/2. Second example, find the sin theta such that 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to 4. Solution. Now we write 3 cos theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sin theta. Therefore, 3 cos theta is equal to, taking 4 common, 1 minus sin theta. Squaring both the side, on squaring we get 9 cos square theta is equal to 4 square of 4 is 16, 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Now using identity, first sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We replace cos square theta with 1 minus sin square theta. 9 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 16. The square of this 1 minus sin theta, that is 1 minus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Using this, we can find the square of 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. Multiply inside the bracket 9 minus 9 sin square theta, multiply 16 inside the bracket, 16 minus 32 sin theta plus 16 sin square theta. Taking 16 sin square theta to the left hand side, here is minus 9 minus 16, that is minus 25 sin square theta, minus 32 sin theta, that is plus 32 sin theta. 9 minus 16, that is minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, multiplying minus throughout the equation, 25 sin square theta minus 32 sin theta plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we find two numbers so that their sum is minus 32 and product is 25 into 7. Now here minus 25 and minus 7, their sum is 32 and their product is plus 25 into 7. Therefore, 25 sin square theta minus 25 sin theta minus 7 sin theta plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, we take 25 sin theta from first two term and minus 1 from remaining two terms. 25 sin theta, here remains sin theta minus 1, we can take minus sign common, minus 7 common, so it is sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Sin theta minus 1, sin theta minus 1 is common, therefore sin theta minus 1 is common, 25 sin theta minus 7 is equal to 0. Product of two number is 0, there either this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0. Sin theta minus 1 is 0 or 25 sin theta minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 or sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25. Therefore, these are the admissible values of the sin theta. So, these are the solution of the given equation. The third example, last example, if cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to 5, then evaluate sec theta. Solution: cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to 5. Therefore, we write in terms of sin and cos, that is 1 upon sin theta, cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta is equal to 5. Denominator is sin theta, so we can add numerator, there is LCM is sin theta, so 1 plus cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta, multiply by sin theta. Therefore, squaring 1 plus cos theta bracket square is equal to 25 sin square theta. We call this is equation number 1. Therefore, square of 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25. We using identity, we replace sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25 minus 25 cos square theta. Taking 25 cos square theta to the left hand, it is become plus. So, therefore, cos square theta plus 25 cos square theta is 26 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. 25 taking to the left hand is minus 25. 1 minus 25 is 20 minus 24 is equal to 0. We can take 2 common and cancel, that is 13 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 12 is equal to 0. This is quadratic in cos theta. We factorize this, we find the two numbers such that their product is 13 minus 13 into 12 and sum is cos theta, sum is 1. So therefore 13 cos square theta plus 13 cos theta minus 12 cos theta minus 12 is equal to 0. We can take 13 cos theta from first two terms and minus 12 from last two terms. 13 cos theta, that is cos theta plus 1, we can take minus 12 common, so cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Cos theta plus 1 is common, cos theta plus 1, so 13 cos theta minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, the product of two number is 0, so either one is 0. Cos theta plus 1 is 0 or 13 cos theta minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to minus 1 or cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Now, if cos theta is equal to minus 1, from equation 1, if you put cos theta is equal to minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 sin theta, that is 0. Therefore, it is sin theta is equal to 0. We get sin theta is 0. By putting sin theta is equal to 0, so cosec theta and cot theta cannot define. Therefore, if we take sin theta is equal to 0, we cannot define cosec theta and cot theta. Therefore, we cannot define cosec theta and cot theta. Therefore, cos theta is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, only remains cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13, which is admissible value of cos theta. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. So this is the value of the sec theta. In this way, we have solved 3 examples. Thanking you watching my video.